Today, I will guide you through a stretch class designed specifically for figure skaters. Our first position is butterfly stretch. It's a common flexibility exercise that targets the inner thighs, hips, and groin. It's especially useful for improving hip mobility and flexibility. This stretch is performed by sitting on the floor, bringing the soles of your feet together and allowing your knees to drop toward the ground while keeping your back straight. We use this position with different arms variations. First was with arms up, and then second with arms behind, leaning forward. For the best results, make sure to hold each stretch for a minimum of 30 seconds and repeat multiple times. Remember to warm up before stretching or incorporate it into your post-skating routine at the end of the day. Our next position is seated forward fold or pike stretch. This stretch primarily targets hamstrings, calves, low back, and spine flexibility. Let's begin the stretch by bending your legs and slowly straightening them while holding your arms wrapped around your feet. Repeat this exercise several times at slow pace, holding each position for at least 30 seconds. Our next exercise involves stretching with one leg straight in front and the other bent in a butterfly position. Twist your torso and lean to the side, placing your opposite hand on the foot of your straight leg. The other arm should press your bent knee down toward the floor. For the second position, lean forward with your back as flat as possible, head up, and reach your chest toward your foot. In the third position, twist your upper body, standing tall with shoulders turned toward your straight leg. After this, switch legs and repeat the sequence on other side. If you find this exercise is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and exercises. Your support helps me to create more valuable content for you. If you have any skating or off-ice practice videos, email them to me. Together we can analyze them and identify areas to improve your spins, jumps, and overall technique. Let's work together to take your skating to the next level. Now let's get back to our stretch exercises. This stretch is excellent for improving flexibility in your hamstrings, hips, and lower back, while also helping with spinal mobility. Stretching is crucial for me as a coach, especially since I still skate frequently and demonstrate various skating skills, spins, and jumps with my students. It helps me avoid potential injuries and recover after a long day, ensuring I feel refreshed and ready for tomorrow. Moving on to the next stretch, sit on the floor with your legs extended out to the sides as far as you can. Lean through the side toward your right foot, keeping your hips open and turn out as much as you can. And then switch your sides after that and leaning toward your left foot. For more of the ice training sessions, check out my playlist via the link above or look in the description below. Now we're going to lean forward while keeping your legs open as much as you can. Hold your hips turned out, keep your back flat, and reach forward with your arms. For the next exercise, lay down on your stomach and grab your ankles with both hands. Pull your legs up as high as you can, keep arching your back, and stay there for at least 30 seconds. Now we're going to pull your legs up, arching your back as you press your hands into the floor, bending your legs and aiming to touch your head with your feet while staying on your stomach. These last two exercises help to stretch hips, quads, abdominals, chest and shoulders, and back muscles. Now we will move into splits. Start with your right foot in front, keeping your back straight and hips square. Turn out your front leg and push the hip of your back leg forward to maintain a squared position. Repeat the same movement on other leg. I usually hold the split position for at least 60 seconds and repeat as many times as you can. If you can't reach a full split yet, start with lunges and then slide back into the split, straighten your front leg. Front splits help with stretch of hamstrings, hip flexors, quads, and glutes. For the final stretch, do a sideways split. Keep your legs and hips turned out, your back vertical, and push your hips forward. Inside splits, both legs extend outward to the sides, and we're working on inner thighs, hamstrings, and hip flexors and glutes. Both types of splits help improve overall low body flexibility, enhance range of motion, and especially beneficial for figure skaters. Now we are going to move to the bar. Get your free leg, bend, and then push your hips forward towards the bar. Then you move away from the bar, straighten your knees, and leaning forward with your back as flat as you can. After that, we're going to repeat with other leg. This stretch helps improve hip flexor flexibility and hamstring extension. By pushing the hips forward and then moving away to straighten the leg, you're extending the hamstrings and engaging the hip flexors, which is essential for good leg extension and alignment. Second exercise at the bar will be sideways. We bend your free leg again and pushing your hips towards the bar, keeping your back straight and standing leg turned out. Make sure that your hips are absolutely square. Then you move away from the bar and then lean through the side. Try to reach with opposite arm and try to hold as long as you can. This stretch targets the inner thigh and side hip muscles, which helps with balance and stability and lateral movements. Pushing your hips toward the bar stretches the hip adductors, while moving away and straightening the leg helps open up the hip joint, giving you better range in side extensions and lateral movement. Our third stretch will be backward. You're going to bend your free leg and push your hips toward the bar while keeping your back straight and keep your knees closer together. Then you're going to move away from the bar and then push your hips forward and at the same time leaning backward and trying to get into layback position. This stretch focuses on the lower back, glutes, and hip extensors. By pushing the hips back, you are stretching the glutes and lower back, which helps with posture and alignment. When you then push the hips forward and extend the back leg, you are targeting the hip flexors and lower spine, crucial for maintaining upright alignment and extending the back leg during various skating elements. Here is another great exercise for stretching. Slides forward, side, and backward on the bar. So you put one leg on the bar and then keeping your hips square, slide all the way forward, hold for a while, then come back, then turn out your standing leg, keeping same free leg on the bar, slide sideways into split, make sure that your hips under and your legs turn out, then you turn backward, keeping your hips square, back vertical, and slide backward as far as you can. After that, you switch your legs and do same exercise from other leg. So how these stretches benefit you as a skater? First, flexibility. Sliding forward, side and backward helps stretch key muscles like the hip flexors, hamstrings, and adductors, increasing flexibility in multiple directions. This is essential for skating positions such as spirals, spread eagles, and deep edges. Second, strength and stability. These slides strengthen the stabilizing muscles in your hips, core, and legs from different angles, which helps build control and precision in your movements on the ice. 3. Balance. Practicing slides in all directions encourages awareness of weight distribution and alignment, which enhance your balance in extended positions, important for splits, jumps, lunges, and edge work. And 4. Coordination. Moving into a split position in various directions while maintaining correct alignment improves neuromuscular coordination, allowing you to execute complex skating elements with greater control and ease. Training with forward, side, and backward slides develops a full range of skills that support well-rounded, stable, and flexible skating. I also have many videos featuring on-ice exercises to improve your skating skills. You can find them by clicking the link above or checking the description below. For a forward stretch while standing on one foot, you will pull foot forward, aiming to keep your hips as square as possible. As you extend your leg, straighten it fully, engaging your core for balance. This stretch improves flexibility in your hamstrings and hip flexors while also enhancing balance, coordination, and core strength. It can also increase your range of motion and help develop control and stability essential for skating skills. If you are not flexible enough to stretch with both legs straight, you can start by bending your standing leg and simply pull your free leg forward, keeping the standing leg bent. Next, we will pull the free leg sideways and do the same movement as we did forward. If you can balance without holding the bar and grab your leg with both hands, it will be very beneficial for your balance. Repeat the stretch with other leg, ensuring you keep your hips tucked under and pull your leg directly to the side. Pulling the leg sideways, also known as a lateral leg stretch, helps with increasing flexibility in the inner thighs and hip abductors, as well as improving hip mobility. This stretch also strengthens the muscles involved in lateral movements, which is essential for maintaining balance, stability, and control during skating. It enhances your ability to perform side-to-side movements and improves overall body alignment, making transitions and edges on the ice smoother and more controlled. For the final stretch, pull your leg backward by grabbing your ankle with the same arm as the free leg, keeping your hips as square as possible to stretch the hip flexors. Pulling the leg backward helps with increasing flexibility in the quads and low back. It also improves mobility in the hips, which is essential for skating maneuvers that require extension and backward movements. This stretch promotes better posture, balance, and stability by encouraging proper hip alignment. By improving your range of motion and stability, you will gain better posture and control, allowing you to perform skating skills with more precision and ease. Check out more videos for stretching and flexibility in the description below. Keep stretching to improve, and happy skating! See you in the next video.